Hey, okay, so super casual, almost no makeup core today. I don't even have a petticoat on, but I am losing my mind. Into a Dream Carnival was just delivered to my door. Oh my lord, I heard the dogs barking, and normally they bark at literally nothing. It's raining out today, so I'm like, they're just barking at the rain, and I didn't think anything of it. And then I came into my room, and because it's raining and overcast, I'm like, I need to open up the windows, let a little natural light in, and that's when I saw the mail truck right in front of my door, and I lost it, and I ran downstairs as fast as I could, and I saw that this was already on the door, and thank goodness she saw me before she drove away, and she got it! So maybe about a week or so ago, I posted a little short talking about how my mind was blown that Into a Dream Carnival was being scalped as hard as it is being scalped. And I mean, as of today, as of right now, it is Tuesday, so we still haven't heard anything about Angelic Pretty San Francisco getting Into a Dream Carnival, but hopefully by the time I get this posted, hopefully I get it edited in time to have it posted on Friday, we will have heard something from Angelic Pretty San Francisco about them getting in their batch of Into a Dream Carnival, so please don't give in to the scalpers. Oh my lord, I've been waiting for this thing since it was previewed back in December, and I'm losing my mind. I'm so excited it's here. As y'all know, I grew up with horses. I grew up in a really tiny border town. It was, I think at its peak, it had like 900 people. Yeah, so I grew up with horses. I'm a horse girl through and through. I really miss owning horses, and if the closest thing I can have to a real life horse is having a wardrobe full of horses, then so be it. Ugh. Just watch me struggle. Just gotta hulk out on some boxes sometimes, okay? It's here. Oh my goodness. Also, it has been a hot minute since I've gotten an AP bag, so let's just take a moment. Hey, this is so pretty. I just took a peek of it. It's so pretty. All right, let's look at it together. I'm so excited. It has glitter! Nobody mentioned anything about glitter. It's so pretty. It definitely looked a lot more like yellow ivory in pictures that I've seen online. I'm speechless right now. Like, I did not expect all the glitter. The color is even more beautiful than I expected. I literally have no words for this. Okay, it's soft, it's cotton, which, my favorite. The straps are fully sheared. I love these little pearl details. Can you see? Look at this print. Can you see the glitter? This is insane. Hold on, baby wants in. Ooh. Okay. All right. Yeah. Was it worth the wait? Yes, it was worth the wait. Good lord. Look at this. Okay, we have the floral lace. This is so crazy. It's so pretty. Look at the sparkles. Look at the ponies. I cannot believe. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to wear this. When am I going to wear this? I'm not going to wear it today because it's raining. I literally have only gone outside so far today to take puppies on a walk, and it's probably going to remain that way. So I know one thing which would have been cool to see, I will make a quick pivot, is, so the front bow is detachable, which is awesome. The rest of these little ribbons are not. I know AP doesn't generally make them removable. I will just say Meta makes all their little bow accents removable. Oh, pockets. Let's check. Okay, one pocket, which means we probably have another one over here because there's no zipper. Oh my lord, this dress has 2 pockets. So I did buy a pair of matching tights off of somebody who accidentally got 2 pairs. I have not received those yet, but when I do, I will at least have the matching OTKs to this, which will be wonderful. It is hot, so I think I'm gonna be, so when those do come in, I do have a little cord collage that I pulled together. I'll put it right here. That's one of my proposed cord ideas. I do also have this Into a Dream Carnival acrylic bag charm that I got off of Mercari. This was originally given out as gifts to attendees of the fashion show in December. So yeah, so I have this. I also have the Into a Dream Carnival notebook, and it just has lined pages. It's just a regular plain notebook. I do have the Angelic Pretty postcard. I will eventually, I'm slowly working on getting frames for all of my postcards and art, and I'm slowly putting them on the walls. If you can see over here in the corner, you can sort of see I have a bigger print that I got from Emakira web shop, and it is finally on the wall. But I have a ton of little Brando postcards from my favorite prints that I have collected over the years. I have not collected all the ones that I want, and as I'm slowly collecting them, I am also slowly collecting frames for them to fit in, and I will have a video of that process soon. Whenever I finish getting all those up. But yeah, so I obviously, Emakira is one of my favorite artists, and of course there are just some prints, like pony prints, that it's like medicine for my soul. I love these so much. Yeah, sorry, a little off topic there, but yeah, so I think I will definitely have to wear this. So cute. I don't really like pink that much. I'm definitely a purple girly, and actually now that I see this up close, I can see that there's actually quite a bit of like blue in the print, so I think that I would be able to safely wear this with blue as well. So yeah, my lord, this is, I already was excited for the print, but seeing this in person is like blown my brain. I cannot believe that the whole thing is encrusted in glitter. I'm so happy. So I will throw a quick cord together. What do you guys think of this release? Were you able to get it? Are you planning to try to get it in the San Francisco drop? Did you not want to get it? And what do you think of my cord? Alright, so here is my cord. Just look how beautiful this is. Obviously for this quick try on, I didn't want to change my hair or anything, so I left my hair the way that it was, and I'm just wearing some Alice and the Pirates hair combs and my buns. I added my neckwear to, carry down the white a little bit so it didn't look too out of place. It is a little cold today, so I just threw on this cardigan over top. It's from Alice and the Pirates. And of course, like I mentioned before, there is actually a surprising amount of blue in the print. So I feel like wearing blue items works well with this cord. So you have a couple of styling options for variation. I am wearing my Innocent World socks. They have blue little roses on it. Again, to carry the blue throughout the cord. These bows up here at the top, that's that are not detachable. I think that most of my cords will probably be including blouses. But I only have one long sleeve blouse that really matches with this, and I already have this, and I already have a cord planned out for that one. So I wanted to make a completely different outfit with new items just to show the variety of options that you can have if you happen to get this dress and you're a little unsure about styling. And then here, just to include a little bit of the pink into my coordinate, I have my Kate Spade heart bag with the little acrylic pony charm featuring the horses in this print. Of course, I still have my Baby Star Shine Bright Isukumi slippers on because it is super wet outside. So if I were to go out wearing this, it wouldn't be matchy to the cord, but there are definitely some things that you just have to accept when you are a daily Lolita, that when it's rain, you wear your rain boots. I honestly did not expect to buy anything really this year, but as soon as I saw this, I'm like, this is going to be my new re-release exception for this year, and I'm super happy that I got this. I was shocked. I wasn't expecting to get it, and I got it, and yeah, it's just so pretty. It's honestly, it's perfect. Yeah. Yeah, and I cannot wait to wear it more fancy and OTT on hopefully a day that is warmer and a little more dry than it is today. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.